Hi everybody! My name is Jane, and today I am going to be talking about the difference between this sound and this sound. So what do these symbols mean? These symbols come from the IPA, or the International Phonetic Alphabet, and they represent the sounds and So I've noticed that some of my students have trouble with these sounds, being able to produce these sounds, to produce them differently. So today I'm going to explain the difference and how they are produced. So let's start with this phoneme, or unit of sound, is called theta. Theta is produced when you put your tongue in between your teeth. Do you see that? I'm putting my tongue in between my teeth. This is called an interdental sound because we're putting our tongue in between our teeth, our dentals, interdental. It's also a fricative. So a fricative means that the sound is produced when we vibrate, when we create friction in our mouth. So when I make that sound, you can almost see I'm creating friction. Now the sound is very similar. It's also an interdental, and it's also a fricative. So we produce it by putting our tongue in between our teeth and vibrating, creating friction. So what's the difference between and can you guess? It's because is voiceless and is voiced. What is voicing? Voicing has to do with our vocal folds. So if our vocal folds are vibrating, it's a voice sound. If they are not vibrating, it's a voiceless sound. So even though and look the same, it might even feel very similar, it's what's going on in our vocal folds that makes this difference, okay? So if you put your hand on your neck, you can feel that difference. If it's vibrating, it's a voice sound. If it's not, it's a voiceless sound. How cool is that? Because these sounds are the same in place and manner, so places where we put our articulators, where we put our tongue, it's the same place. And manner, the way we produce our sound, the sound, how we produce both of them by creating friction, they're called cognates because they differ only in that one is voiceless and the other is voiced. So, is an interdental, fricative, voiceless sound? Well, is an interdental, fricative, voice sound. And that's the difference between and. I hope this was helpful. Bye now.